is from Bengaluru to Mumbai, and the flight time today is expected to be 1 hour and 25 minutes. Captain Baltim Bikar is in command, and assisting him in the flight deck is First Officer Harshad Pujwani. My name is Vishal Singh, and I'm a cabin supervisor. Air India, a part of Star Alliance, now has a revamped business time program, Flying Returns, which offers you an unmatched experience. Enroll now by clicking on the link received on the registered email or visit airindia.com. Please contact our cabin crew for any assistance. We hope you have a pleasant flight. Thank you. देवेश सर, भारत सरकार के निर्देशानुसार इस उड़ान को धूम्रपान या इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सिगरेट तथा मदिरापान करने की अनुमति नहीं है। सभी लैबोरेटरीज में स्मोक डिटेक्टर्स लगे हैं। यात्रा के दौरान मोबाइल फोन या छोटे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक उपकरण जैसे कि ई रीडर का फ्लाइट मोड पर इस्तेमाल किया जा सकता है, लेकिन आपके आगे सो यात्री को सुरक्षा मिलेगी। कपल लैंडिंग के दौरान बड़ी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक उपकरण जैसे लैपटॉप का उपयोग करना मना है। धन्यवाद। May I have attention, please? Government of India regulations do not permit smoking, use of e-cigarette, and consumption of alcohol aboard this aircraft. Please note that smoke detectors are installed in these laboratories. Mobile phones and other small hand electronic devices, including e-reader, may be used in flight mode. However, for the safety and for the safety of those around you, use of other equipment such as laptop is not permitted during takeoff and landing. Thank you. अब हम आपको सुरक्षा संबंधी जानकारी दिखाएंगे। कृपया